All right, let's see what we got, man. Bro, this video better not piss me off, bro.
Get the fuck on your back. Come here. Come here.
Mask?
Get the fuck on your stomach. Don't move. Don't move. You move, I shoot you. Shots fired. Officer needs help.
Shoppers browsing for costumes and spooky decorations are shocked when a deadly shooting erupts in Albuquerque, New Mexico.
New Mexico.
The fatal encounter is captured by a body cam, but the man wearing it isn't a police officer. He's a security guard assigned to a Spirit Halloween store.
Mama killed somebody.
That's a security guard talking?
Why?
Bro, why is there security inside of an armed security inside of a Halloween store? That's the first mistake. He probably already think he top flight security of the world because he stopped somebody from stealing the mask. Like, come on, dog.
The following report is based on official police records, and most of the footage has never been seen before until now. Please note that all persons charged with a crime are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. The crime are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law.
He gets
On
down
October
in the
16th,
kitchen.
2025, a 25-year-old armed security guard named Josiah Armijo is keeping watch at his current post.
Wait, this says 2025 October. This was 2 months ago almost, or a month and a half ago.
A Spirit Halloween seasonal costume store that seems to greatly require his services.
Army Patrol requesting an 82. They got 5 occupants currently stealing from the store at the Spirit off of Carlisle and Indian School. Hey, I caught him concealing it.
Wait, hold on. She look kind of.
Hey guys,
never mind.
I need you to leave the store. I need you guys to leave the store. I saw you concealing a shirt, so I need you and your friends to leave. Let's go. Put the hat down. Let's go. Put this stuff down. You guys are no longer walking in Spirit, all right? This idiot stuck a shirt in his pants. So I kicked them all out.
Josiah handles the situation, not knowing that he's less than an hour away from a...
Do y'all think he handled that right? I mean, he caught him stealing. He was doing his job, and he kicked him out. Okay,
much more serious encounter that will change the course of his life. It begins when a customer's appearance attracts the attention of Josiah and store employees.
God asked him if he was good. He's bleeding from his hands.
I know. I know he is.
I
You
mean,
gave him
smoked
tissue.
out. He smoked out.
Wait,
Like,
who?
Let's see if he wants. I know where he's at. I've been trying to keep an eye on him.
I know, I watched you by the door.
I am.
This little nigga want to be involved so bad.
Tripping,
Go back to
bro.
work, nigga. Down.
Josiah moves to a position where he can better watch the man, who authorities will later identify as 41-year-old Chase Beltramo.
Is he
When
spying on
Chase
this
heads
nigga?
for the front door with items he hasn't purchased, Josiah breaks into a sprint and a chaotic, violent encounter begins.
Ah, shit. Bro, you're doing all this over.
Come here. Get the on your stomach. Get the on your...
Nah, bro.
82 to Carlisle! Don't move! Don't move! You don't move, I shoot you!
Yo, some people should not be security. Why is this an armed security guard inside of a Spirit Halloween store? And first of all, why are you chasing somebody because they stole merchandise? Come on, bro. You can't, dog. Come on. You gonna kill him because he stole a mask? Let his ass go. Get a picture of him. And catch him later. Nah.
You move, I shoot you! Get on your back!
Nah.
Get on your...
This is assault.
Josiah's body cam falls to the ground and 3 gunshots ring out.
Shots fired! Officer needs help! Shots fired! Call the cops! Hey,
I thought he was the cop. Why he got a body cam on and a gun?
Hey, take it easy. Coach,
Oh, no, he is security guard.
Back up, bro. You're good. You safe, bro.
Get him in.
How are you?
Get him in. I'm good. Get him in.
You killed him. He's done. Okay? Take it easy.
Josiah reattaches his body cam, but he's a long way from processing what just happened.
I don't know what world y'all think we live in, but you don't kill somebody because they stole a mask. You let them go, you call the police, and you let them handle it. You don't chase them out the store because that could turn bad on you or the person that stole. And in this case, we had an aggressive security guard who wanted to be top flight security of the world. If y'all seen Friday with the whistles and shit, that's what he wanted to be. So he just killed this fool because this fool stole some masks and a couple hats. Like, bro, come on, dog.
Son of a...
Now you crying like a bitch.
Call 911.
Shut.
I don't feel sorry for this dude. I hope he get life.
Get my back up.
You stay down right here. Hey, get some fish, bro. Where's some dramatic shit?
Talking about where's my backup. You're a security guard. You don't get back up.
You hurt? You ain't shit.
He's shots fired. Shots fired.
Oh yeah, this nigga's a goofy. This nigga's a goofy. Oh hell nah.
Landon has shot someone.
What you shot at?
Can we like skip past him crying? I don't want to hear this shit. It's kind of pissing me off. Cause why is he crying like a little
Albuquerque
bitch?
Police Department, who were rushing to the scene.
Yeah, I want to hear that.
In the meantime, Josiah makes another call.
Call mom.
You was just big and bad. Now you calling your mom. It gets to a point, bro.
Have a seat. There you go. It's all right.
Bro, I'm not hearing this crying shit, bro.
I need to.
You know where you shot him at?
Point blank, bro.
Don't want to hear
Twice.
that shit.
Point blank where? In the face?
Chest.
Right there.
Where we're trained to do. Where we're trained.
What we're trained to do. So you're saying Spirit said, hey, we're going to hire you as a security guard. If somebody steals from our shop, shoot them twice in the chest. That's not what they trained you to do. That's what you wanted to do because you felt like you were above him in that situation. Fucking goofy.
Yeah, I had to.
Somebody had
Josiah's
to. You didn't have
direct
to do
employer
shit.
is New Mexico Security Services, and soon his co-worker arrives and jumps into action.
Help
Look
me.
at this. Look at that guy.
We have got to the point where literally anybody can build a fully working app without knowing how to code.
What the
This is
fuck?
Base 44. This is a first look at the current industry-leading AI
Bro,
app builder.
I gotta catch these ass.
Come on.
Did he attack you?
Huh?
Did he attack you?
We're starting blows.
Yeah.
Even the people are like, why would you shoot him?
What started the situation?
Stealing them from the store.
Shoplifting. You tried to stop the shoplifting?
As witnesses
Fucking
try to get the
idiot.
story from
tried
Josiah, the
to
first
stop
cops
him?
arrive.
Still in the shop? Okay.
That sounds stupid.
I'm
Bro, this crying shit again. I don't want to hear that.
sorry. Why? Why?
It's him being placed in
I don't want to
handcuffs.
hear that.
Put you me the name for now, okay? Can you put name Tito?
Look at this. Look at this goofy. Oh yeah, he's one of them. Look at this goofy, bruh. He sit on the couch all day and watch porn. I'm dead ass. And he finally gets some action in his life because by his build and the way he looks, he don't get no females because he just called for his mom. The only female he got in his life is his mom. So he got a little lick of action and he just jumped up and killed somebody, fam. Bro was a goofy, a straight up weirdo, dog. You just, bruh.
Did you record what happened? Did you record the footage? Yeah.
It should have the whole situation. You have a way of.
Yeah.
I need to call my lawyer.
Wait, hold on. This officer kind of look. Oh, this officer kind of look good. Hold on, y'all. See if I can get a badge number.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's real.
Officer, hey.
Did you record what happened? Did you record after the footage? Yeah. It should.
The one back there look straight too.
You have a way of.
Yeah.
I need to call my lawyer.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. We're gonna go in the back of the car, okay?
What police department is this?
We get that to view if we'd like.
Albuquerque.
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
I gotta move out there.
Josiah's body cam will give investigators a clear view of the incident, and soon
it ain't look
additional
too
footage
bad.
will show the deadly confrontation from a very different perspective.
Do you need an ambulance to check on you? What's wrong with you?
I feel like passing
You
out.
feel like going to pass out? Okay. Roll your windows down.
So you were fighting this guy. I don't need too much details. And there's more injuries for yourself.
I don't know.
Okay.
Just happened so thick.
All right.
It looks bad on you when you just kill somebody and then the person you killed had no weapons on them. They were completely unarmed. Then they got like pepper spray residue all over their face. It looks really bad when the police put up. That's why he's in handcuffs right now, because it looks bad. You know it's bad when the civilians start standing around and they start questioning you. That's how you know it's bad.
He said he hit you.
Well, he ran out. He pushed the manager, assistant manager up there. So I came out running.
But you weren't stabbed or anything? No.
No.
Okay.
I tried making him with OC spray. He started grabbing stuff, so I pulled out my gun and.
Okay. And you don't have to tell me any of that stuff.
Medics advise Josiah to keep his breathing calm and controlled, which may be easier said than done.
If he start doing that shit again, bro, I'm going to skip him crying. I don't want to hear that crying shit.
As it turns out, that may be the least of Josiah's worries. Despite the efforts of first responders, Chase Beltramo dies in the parking lot from a gunshot wound to the upper torso.
I'm sorry, sir.
Start that shit. I'm skipping it. Don't call on God now. He can't save you. You're fucked.
The investigation stretches into the night, and as homicide detectives prepare to speak with Josiah, Spirit Halloween representatives have to decide on their next step.
Who is this?
So corporate's directed us to basically stay closed indefinitely.
Jay Durham. I bet.
Indefinitely? Why?
Nah, I'm just talking shit.
They don't have to be indefinite.
She do look good though.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. We need our Halloween stuff.
Exactly.
At the station, Josiah
Alright,
tries
ain't
to
that
get a
funny.
sense of where this investigation might be going.
Did you see the footage of this one?
Yeah, I saw the footage of this one.
Was it like clear or what?
Yeah, like the quality was really good of the video.
What are your thoughts? Because
I can't say my thoughts.
Investigators will have to use witness statements and footage to make their determinations because Josiah has little to say about the incident.
Dude looks so goofy.
Record?
We record every incident that we get into.
Okay, good. That's it. I've always found them helpful, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
It falls to your benefit all the time, from my point of view.
It does.
Would you like to talk to us about the evening, this event tonight?
I will, but I have an attorney because we have right to bear.
Okay.
So, but I don't know their number. So anytime they said if we get in a shooting to call them, and they'll help us through the process.
Josiah is referring to a special liability policy he purchased that offers members legal aid if they're involved in a self-defense incident. The detectives agree to help put him in contact with one of the company's lawyers.
I'm an attorney in Colorado with the Right to Bear Network, and from what I hear right now, this is an incident that may or may not be covered by Right to Bear, depending on what the charges are, the outcome, and some additional investigation.
Yeah, it's not covered because this was a murder.
Questions with your presence. How would you like us to proceed?
The lawyer explains that Josiah cannot be his client because he's from out of state and not licensed in New Mexico.
Aha,
but he
you're
recommends
fucked,
that
buddy.
Josiah be given time to rest and find a local attorney before answering questions. But if a good night's sleep is the key, Josiah's accommodations are perhaps less than ideal.
Good morning. I'll take you out of handcuffs. Or I'm gonna take
He had
you
to sleep
out
in
of
his
this
room, no blanket, no nothing.
one. Go to see your glass on if you want.
Damn.
After talking with the DA, you're probably gonna be out in like a day or two.
A day or two?
Yeah.
He
Meaning
lying.
day could be tomorrow morning, depends on when the judge sees you. It could be either this morning, which is Friday morning, or Saturday morning. You don't have a huge criminal record, you don't have any of that, all that stuff is not there. So they're most likely going to release you. That's just based off of what the DA believes. Now the judge can have a whole different aspect about it, okay? But you're being held, you're not held on what's called an open count of murder, or is there criminal charge, meaning that there's no first degree charges. We don't have a first degree murder. It's going to be second or something below it. And then get a hold of an attorney here in town and then work from there, okay?
For now, however, Josiah is taken to the
No way he
Metropolitan
gets
Detention
off from this
Center.
shit, right?
En route, he asks for a small favor.
So I think it's like, it looks like a vape or
Can
something.
you call my mom?
That can't go with you.
Can I hit it before you toss it away?
I think I can let you do that.
I needed that like all day.
At the jail, the
Nigga's a
officer not only
fiend for
takes
them
Josiah's
vapes.
vape,
Y'all
but
gotta
his
stop
security
smoking them
patches
vapes,
as
bro.
well.
I don't know how much people have heard and, who's in there and stuff, so we don't want people giving you issues, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Inside the booking area, issues do indeed materialize, but the anger isn't directed at Josiah.
Yeah, bro. Sit down, you dick. Stop.
Oh shit, she turning the fuck up.
Yeah, I hate you.
She turning up in that bitch. Turn that motherfucker up.
Like you guys like to you on Central. No. Where's your donut?
Sounds kind of good, actually.
When peace is restored, the officers take a look at some of the first shocking images from tonight's incident at Spirit Halloween.
Why is she kicking her legs?
So bad.
Hey, she look a little. Damn, she looks.
That's my guy, 27-1.
Hernandez. Hey. That's my type of shit right there. Actually,
These images come from surveillance cameras at the store, one of which provides a new vantage point on the tragic altercation, right from the moment a store employee intervenes to keep Chase Beltramo from stealing, and only seconds before Josiah rushes in.
Yeah, lock him up. He's guilty. See, like, why are you trying to stop him from stealing? Just let him go. Those items can be replaced. Trying to be tough in front of the females, bro. I'm trying to be too tough. Like, it ain't never that deep. And then she walking back in like ain't shit just happened. Everybody just standing around watching. Man, lock this goofy ass nigga up. And everybody in there that was watching.
Roughly a minute into the chaos, both men roll out of view. Only seconds later, 3 gunshots bring the confrontation to an end. As dramatic as the footage is, the case soon hits a snag, the first hint of which detectives got when they called Josiah's mother earlier tonight.
You called me on my work phone, and I don't feel comfortable speaking to you on my work phone. How did you get my work number?
Bitch, your kid just killed somebody. Shut the fuck up.
District attorneys,
I don't feel comfortable
with
about
us, and she was able to work through. They have your guys' information. We do not.
As the detective explains the next day, her employment puts a wrinkle in the prosecution.
Mijo's mother works for the district attorney's office.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
I didn't actually know that even.
Yeah.
fuck?
So
She ain't above
to
nobody?
ensure that there is no complications further in the case, all of this is going to be handed over to an actual attorney in the city, that does not work with the district attorney's office.
Does he have any charges against him yet, or?
Yes, we did charge him with second-degree murder last night.
I bet. I like that.
So when we were watching the footage, it looks to be self-defense.
No, the fuck
because
it
looks
doesn't.
like the guy had like
Get
a
his dick out your
hacksaw.
mouth. Get his dick out your mouth. Pop that shit out your mouth, bro. That was not self-defense. He just murdered somebody for stealing a Halloween mask. Take that cock out your mouth, bro. Pop that shit out.
Something that he was trying to hit him with.
The victim, Chase Beltramo, did have previous run-ins with the law.
Take the meat out your mouth, bro. Oh shit, I muted it.
Lifting and a 2000 law, including a 2013 conviction for misdemeanor shoplifting and a 2014 felony conviction for residential burglary. Josiah's fate, however, will not be based on the victim's past, but by what is seen in the footage, including his own body cam recording.
You f***ing move, I shoot you.
When investigators review all the footage and speak to the witnesses on scene, they conclude that Chase Beltramo was not armed.
I
at
said
any
that
point in the
earlier. I
altercation.
said that earlier. He was unarmed.
So he doesn't have an expectation of privacy on a camera that is provided to him. They do this for their legal means to be able to say, hey, you did this within our policies. No, you did this with outside our policies. It's the same thing we do with ours. Like if we're recording for the purpose of legal bounds, but it also keeps us within.
It protects everybody.
Yeah, it protects everybody. It tells you that the officer was
doing something wrong, or
it's like having a dash
to be frank,
cam.
being an absolute.
The arrest affidavit against
Wait, what?
I mean, to be frank, being an absolute.
The arrest affidavit against 25-year-old Josiah Armijo argues that while he may have had probable cause to stop Chase from shoplifting, Chase seemed to be attempting to flee the scene until Josiah put him in a life-threatening position by pointing a loaded weapon at him.
Don't move.
All he was gonna do is run.
The affidavit also criticizes Josiah's use of pepper spray only inches away from Chase's face.
Yeah, lock his ass, bro. I want to box this nigga right
The
now.
document concludes, because Josiah didn't have the necessary need for the use of deadly force, he was charged with second-degree murder for the shooting of Chase.
God is
Josiah
good.
Armijo was released on his own recognizance 2 days after the incident. Court records indicate that he has entered a plea of not guilty. If you'd like to see select
Wait, so what
videos
happened to
early
him?
and help us keep
Oh,
uncovering
this
case
just
files
happened,
that rarely
but
come to
no,
light,
I guarantee you he's
you'll
done
find
with.
extra footage and unseen
Y'all take
details
care,
on
man.